So you're probably having the same issue that I'm having. I have an A.O. Smith water filter and it's just beeping crazy. It's probably something to do with the filter. So in this video I'm gonna fix the beeping problem and we'll see if we can get it back
from A.O. Smith. It beeps and it's been over just 1 year, and I'm gonna see if I can clean these filters by myself here. First thing that I want to do is turn off the water here. Okay, so I have a little knob, and then this red cable here goes to the drain, so that's fine. And then the other white cable. So to take out the filter, you can use kind of like a belt gripper for like pipes, or even like oil filters. And you just want to go in a spin it here to the left, and when you loosen it, you can take off the main cylinder, and that's kind of where the water goes in. And then if you just pop off, you can pop off the main cylinder, and here you have to twist, and you just twist this to the right. So you twist this to the right. It has these little 2 tabs right here that were on this plastic part, and then you pull, and then that's the filter. So we're gonna try to clean this up. You can see it's all dirty. So let's see. Now to get this out, I'm not too sure how it's done. But it does have some numbers here. Alright, let's get off the second one here. So it'll be the same idea. You want to put it up at the top. Go to the left, loosen up, some water may come out. And you can see the filter. Here.
Chips for you.
You can see the filter here. So this is the bottom, and it has like the part number and all that. I'm just gonna see if I can. It has layers. It has this kind of mesh around it, kind of interesting. But it seems to be composed of multiple layers of this kind of mesh. You can see it right here. So I don't know if we could just buy this mesh and wrap it around, or how to clean that. I'm not sure if So here I have both filters out.
Huh? You got the filters out? Is it dirty? Ooh, what is in that?
A little bit dirty.
Ooh.
Didn't seem much.
If you give it a shake, it's like there's some sand in this part, and this is some sort of membrane. It has changed color. The first stage looks to be okay. I think if I just replace the second one, should be okay. So I found a replacement. It's 300 RMB for this guy right here. That's the 600 GRO membrane filter. And then there's the composite filter is also 300. So you're looking at like 600, which is like $100. And then this guy will be that composite guy. Kind of expensive. And on the website, you can see that this composite filter right here, what it's actually made of. It shows you actually the layers here, where it has this kind of foam sponge at the bottom. Then it has several filters in here made from PP and MF. So for this membrane, try to peel it down. And then there's like a layer of coal in there. Try to use soap. It's kind of hard. It's like assembled as one piece, so I guess you could cut it out and refurbish it. So what I'm gonna do is this. It did change a little bit of color after I put some soap and I scrubbed it. I'm just gonna see if it will stop beeping if I put everything back together. Okay. So here's the inside. Basically there's 4 screws down here that you can easily remove, and then on the back there's this little clip that you can clip out, and then this, I think this is so that it detects if it tips over or something like that. But with that, you can just take it right off. I'm going to try to find, it does have some valves right here. Obviously I unplugged it, so I'm just going to see where the beeping probably comes from in here. I think I'll take off those screws and check that out here. Main power board. And it has the beeper here. And it has a silicone coating over it too. It's a very basic circuit board. Has a buzzer. Has some relays. Transformer. Inductor, capacitors, and we also have reset, test, and it has a 3-volt rail.
has reed switch. So this is a reed switch here. Presume. Okay. Interesting. Let me plug it in, and we'll test out the sound. Like that. And it has that annoying sound. If I cover up, it's not that loud. So this guy is quite loud. It's quite loud, but if I push down on it, and what you can also do is pull the top off, and that will also stop the sound as well, because it just has this very thin element that goes on these positive negative, and then you won't have that annoying sound anymore. So you can see now when I turn it on, we'll plug it in. And then when I turn on the tap, it has the orange, so it's still okay to drink the water. The filter's not perfect, but it doesn't have that annoying sound anymore. Okay, I'll just put this machine back together. Thanks for watching this video. Hope it helped out. If you enjoy electronics or want to learn about how to fix electronics, consider subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.